Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a star constellation pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for generating random numbers such as star position, sizes, and connections, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating the star constellation plot. So now we'll define the number of stars. So this specifies the total number of stars in this given pattern. And now we'll generate random star position. So this generate numstars random x and y coordinates where np.random uniform. This creates a values between 0 and 10 to place stars randomly in a 10 into 10 grid. And now we'll assign some random star sizes. So this generates star sizes between 20 and 100, making some stars appear brighter than others. So now we'll create connection between the stars. So here number of connections are defined as 10. So here num connection is equals to 10. This specifies that 10 pairs of star will be connected with lines and np.random choice. Here this randomly selects 10 pairs of star indices from 0 to num star minus 1 and ensure that each pair is unique and replace is equals to false. These pairs form the constellation like connections. So now we'll create figure and set the background. So here plt.subplot creates a 6 into 6 inches figure where face color is black. This sets the entire figure background to black. So this ensures the plot area inside the figure is also black. And now we'll plot the stars as white dots. So here this plot star using scatter, and x values and y values are the star position. S is equals to sizes, which are varying sizes of star, and color is equals to white, which defines here that the star are white, and alpha is equals to zero point 0.8. This adds a slight transparency to bend the stars naturally. So now we'll draw the lines to connect some stars, which will show us the constellation effect. So this loops through each selected star pairs from starting to end and uses ax.plot to draw a faint white line between the two stars, and color is equals to white, which makes the line visible on a black background. Line style is equals to dash, which uses a solid line, and line width is equals to zero point 0.8. It means thin lines for a delicate look, and alpha is equals to zero point 0.6, which feign transparency to make lines and blend smoothly. So this removes axis and label for a clean look. So this removes plot frame to give a seamlessly night sky effect. And now we'll add the title to the plot. With font size 14 and font weight is bold. And now we'll display the plot. So now we can check this. So here we can see a star constellation pattern. So thanks for watching this video.